morning children. Yesterday we had to learn first sum, today we had to learn second sum. Here, profit on one bag of white cement 9 rupees. Loss on one bag of grey cement is equal to 5 rupees. Profit on one bag of white cement is equal to 9 rupees. Loss on one bag of grey cement is equal to 5 rupees. Here, number of white cement bags they sold. A company sold 7,000 bags of white cement bags, and he sold grey cement bags 6,000. The company got profit or loss. We have to find out now. Now, number of white cement bags 7,000. Number of white cement bags 7,000. Now, profit on 7,000 bags of white cement. Profit on 7,000 bags of white cement is equal to 7,000 into 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 sevens are 63. What is that? 63,000. This is the profit. Now again the company sold grey cement bags also. How many bags they sold? Number of grey cement bags is equal to 6,000. Number of grey cement bags is equal to 6,000. Loss on 6,000 bags of grey cement. 6,000 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. This is the 30,000 is the loss. 63,000 is the profit. They got profit or loss. Which is high? Profit is high or the loss is high? Profit is high. Profit is high means here they got profit. Profit is equal to 63,000 minus 30,000. 63,000 is profit, 30,000 is loss. 63,000 minus 30,000 is equal to how much? 33,000. Once again listen this children. Profit on one bag of white cement is equal to 9 rupees. Loss on one bag of red cement is equal to 5 rupees. A company sold 7,000 bags of white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cement. They got profit or loss. We have to find out that. Number of white cement bags they given 7,000. Profit on 7,000 bags of white cement. 7,000 into 5, 9. 7,000 into 9 is equal to 63,000. Number of grey cement bags 6,000. Loss on 6,000 bags of grey cement is equal to 6,000 into 5. 6,000 into 5 is equal to 30,000. Here 63,000 is high, profit is high or loss is high? Profit is high, 63,000. Here they got profit. A company got profit. Profit is equal to 63,000 minus 30,000. 63,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 33,000. Again second sub question is there. We have to find out the second sub question. Grey cement bags. shampoo. అది అయిపోయింది ఆఫ్ చేసేసాను మళ్ళీ రాశాను అది ఎలా
ఇది
వచ్చింది
మీరు ఆపలేదు.
Children, this is the second sub question. Here they sold 5,004 bags, 5,400 bags of gray cement bags. Neither the company did got the profit or loss. Here we have to find out the number of white cement bags. How many gray cement bags they sold? Number of gray cement bags 5,400. Here loss on 5,400 bags of gray cement bags. Gray cement. 5,400 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 2 carry, 5 fives are 25, 25 plus 2, 27,000. This is the loss. Here, they told already in the question, their company did got the profit or loss. How much loss? 20,000, 27,000. Profit also 27,000. Loss 27,000. Profit also 27,000. Here neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss. Here the company didn't got the profit or loss. Here we have to find the number of white cement bags. What they have to give? Here loss is given. Here profit also same. How many bags they sold? We don't know. We have to find out that. Here, what is the profit? Loss is equal to 27,000. Profit also 27,000 by what is the profit of one bag of white cement bag? 9 rupees. Profit by, we are writing here profit on one bag of white cement bag. What is the profit? 27,000. Why we are writing 9? Here this is divided by 9. Profit on one bag of white cement bag by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. What is the answer? 3,000. Number of white cement bags is equal to how much? 3,000. Number of white cement bags is equal to 3,000. Now we have to learn third sum. Children, third sum, see here. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. Above 0 means no need to write plus. Here, the temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour. Decreases means minus. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade. The temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour. 2 degrees centigrade per hour. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing 2 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature at 12 o'clock? 10 degrees centigrade. 1 o'clock 10 minus 2, 8. 2 o'clock 8 minus 2, 6. 3 o'clock 6 minus 2, 4 o'clock 4 degrees centigrade. 4 o'clock 4 minus 2 is 2 degrees centigrade. 5 o'clock 2 minus 2 is equal 0 degrees. Now 6 o'clock 0 minus 2 is equal minus 2 degree centigrade. 7 o'clock minus 2 plus of minus 2 minus 4. 8 o'clock minus 6 degrees centigrade. Minus 4 plus minus 2. Next 9 o'clock minus 6 plus minus 2 is equal minus 8 degrees centigrade. 10 o'clock minus 8 plus of minus 2 is equal minus 8 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 10. 11 o'clock minus 10 plus of minus 2 is equal minus 12 degrees centigrade. 12 o'clock is equal minus 2 plus minus 2 is minus 12 plus minus 2 is equal minus 14 degree centigrade. Every 1 hour the temperature is decreasing 2 degree centigrade. 12 o'clock what is the temperature? 10 degree centigrade. 10 minus 2, 8. 1 o'clock is 8 degree centigrade. 2 o'clock 8 minus 2, 6. 3 o'clock 6 minus 2, 4 degree centigrade. 4 o'clock 4 minus 2 is 2 degree centigrade. 5 o'clock 2 minus 2 is equal 0 degree centigrade. 6 o'clock 0 minus 2 is equal minus 2 degree centigrade. 7 o'clock minus 2 plus of minus 2 is equal minus 4 degree centigrade. 8 o'clock minus 6 degree centigrade. 9 o'clock minus 2 plus minus 6 minus 2 is equal minus 18. Next 10 o'clock minus 8 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 10 degree. 11 o'clock minus 10 plus minus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 12 degree centigrade. 12 o'clock minus 40 degree centigrade. They have to ask two questions. Here, at what time the temperature is below 8 degree centigrade? Below 8 degree centigrade means minus. Below 8 degree centigrade means minus. At what time the temperature is below 8 degree centigrade? Below 8 degree centigrade means this is 8 degree centigrade, minus 8. Here what time? 9 o'clock. The temperature be 8 degree centigrade below 0 is 9 o'clock. What is the at what time the temperature be below 8 degree centigrade? 9 o'clock. What is the time? What is the answer? That answer is 9 o'clock. At what time? At what time the temperature is below 8 degree centigrade? What is the answer, children? 9 o'clock. Again one more. Until midnight. What is the temperature at midnight? What is the temperature at midnight? What is the temperature here? 12 o'clock. Midnight means 12 o'clock. Midnight 12 o'clock. What is the temperature? Minus 40 degree centigrade. You have to write last. The temperature at midnight 12 o'clock is minus 40 degree centigrade. This is the answer. This is very, very important. And second sum also very, very important. Are you understood, children? Once again I am explaining. Listen carefully. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade. The temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour. 12 o'clock 10 degrees centigrade. Already they have to given. 1 o'clock 8 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. 2 o'clock 8 minus 2, 6. 3 o'clock 6 minus 2, 4. 4 o'clock 4 minus 2, 2. Next 5 o'clock 2 minus 2, 0. 6 o'clock 0 minus 2, minus 2. 7 o'clock minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 8 o'clock minus 6 minus 2 minus 6. 9 o'clock 8 degree centigrade. 10 o'clock minus 10 degree centigrade. 11 o'clock minus 12 degree centigrade. 12 o'clock minus 40 degree centigrade. At what time the temperature is below 8 degree centigrade? 8 degree centigrade below 0. What time? What time? That time is 9 o'clock. And again they have to ask one more question. What is the temperature at midnight 12 o'clock? Midnight temperature, what is the temperature at midnight 12 o'clock? Minus 14 degree centigrade. Now next sum, fourth sum we have to learn now. Now fourth sum, children. Marks are given for every correct answer, 3 marks. Marks are given for every correct answer, every incorrect answer, minus 2 marks. Marks are given for every correct answer, how many marks? 3 marks. Marks are given for every incorrect answer, how many marks? Minus 2 marks. Here, Radhika is attempted 12 correct answers and she scored 20 marks. Radhika scored how many marks? 20 marks. And how many she got 12 correct answers. She got 12 correct answers. 12 correct answers is equal to 12 into 3. What is the marks are given for every correct answer? 3 marks. 12 into 3. 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. But she got the score is 20. Here we have to find incorrect answers score. Incorrect answers score. We have to find out that incorrect answers score. Incorrect answers score. This is the correct answers score. This is the incorrect answers score. What she got? What is the score of Radhika? 20. What is the correct answers score? 36. 20 minus 36. 20 minus 36. Why we have to subtracting this means she got 20 marks only. She got 20 marks. And 20 minus 36. 20 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. Because bigger number which sign have minus. 20 minus 36 is equal to how much? Minus 16. This is the incorrect answers score is minus 16. Here they didn't give the how many correct answers, how many incorrect answers they have to not given. We have to find the incorrect answers. Number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 16 by minus 2. Minus 16 by minus 2. Number of incorrect answers is equal. What is the incorrect answer score? Minus 16. Incorrect answer score is minus 16. Marks are given for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 2 marks. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. 8. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to how much? 8. Number of incorrect answers is equal to how much? 8 marks. Are you understood, children? Again, Mohini scored -5 marks and she got 7 correct answers. We have to find the incorrect answers. We have to find the incorrect answers score. Children, next second sub question. Mohini scored how many marks? -5 marks. She got 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers score is how much? 7 into 3. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. Next, incorrect answers score. Incorrect answers score. What she got? What is the Mohini score? -5. And she got 7 correct answers. What is the score of correct answers score? -21. Why I am writing -1 means this also -21 also they got loss. They got loss. And -5 plus -21 is equal to -26. Actually her score is 21. But she gave the incorrect answers also. She attempted incorrect answers. How many incorrect answers she told? We don't know, but the number of incorrect answers we don't know, but the score is -5 and the correct answer score is -21. -5 plus -21 is equal to -26. Once again listen this children carefully, listen carefully. Here Mohini scores -5 marks. Mohini scores -5 marks and she got 7 correct answers. That correct answers score are also she lost. Mohini lost. Correct answer score also they lost, but they got -5 plus -5 -21. -5 plus -21 is equal to how much? -26. Number of incorrect answers. What is the incorrect answer score? -26. Marks are given for every incorrect answer. -2 marks. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. What is the answer, children? 13. 13 is the number of incorrect answers. 13. Number of incorrect answers 13. Once again, listen this children. Here Mohini scores -5 marks. She attempted 7 correct answers. She got 21 marks. But that also she lost. But that marks also she lost. -5 -21. -5 -21 is equal to -26. Here this is the incorrect answers score only, not incorrect answers. Number of incorrect answers is equal to -26 by -2. Why we have to write this -2? These marks are given for every incorrect answer. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Here number of incorrect answers is equal to how much? 13. Number of incorrect answers is equal to 13. Next fifth sum we have to learn. Next fifth sum. See children, now fifth sum. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per second. 6 meters per second. An elevator means that is descends into a mine shaft, that is descends into a earth. Here number of meters above the ground level 10 meters. A mine shaft starts from above the ground level 10 meters. Here number of meters below the ground level up to that a mine shaft is going to reach that places. Below the ground is 350 meters. Above the ground level is 10 meters. Below the ground level is 350 meters for finding the gold, silver like items. This mine shaft is descends into a earth. Here number of meters above the ground level is 10 meters. Number of meters below the ground level is 350 meters. Here total number of meters how much? 10 plus 350 how much? 360 meters. An elevator time to reach how much time? How much time will it take to reach that place is 360 by 6. Here total number of meters how much? Total number of meters is 360 by how many meters per second? 6 meters per second. 1 second that the mine shaft is going taking time is 6 meters per second. 360 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 zeros are 0. 60 minutes. And elevated time to reach the place is 1 hour. Once again listen this children, this is the very very important sum. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per second. An elevator, what is the time to take that 6 meters that is going means he is taking 6 meters per second. 1 second that is going 6 meters. Here number of meters above the ground level is 10 meters. Number of meters below the ground level is 350 meters. Total number of meters is equal to 10 plus 350 is equal to 360 meters. And elevator descents into an elevated time to reach is equal to 360 by 6. Total number of meters by 6. Total number of meters by, and that is taking for 1 second. How 1 second, how many meters that is going? 6 meters. 360 by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 is 36, 6 0 is 0. 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And elevated time to reach is equal to how much? 1 hour. And elevator takes the time is to reach the place is 1 hour. This is very important. Note it. Thank you, children.